Unbelievably Intelligent and Trickster Birds Edition. 1. Crows drop nuts on roads so cars can crack them open. Then wait for the green light to collect them. 2. The New Caledonian crow can craft multi-step tools, just like humans solving puzzles. 3. Eurasian magpies can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness rare in animals. 4. African gray parrots can ask for specific objects by name, showing real understanding of language. 5. The brown-headed nuthatch uses tiny pieces of bark as tools to lift insects from tree cracks. Amazing, right? Follow for more unbelievable bird facts.